We are at Yairipok with the two Miss. Look, Kribo and Christian. I'm at a shop. We bought two umbrellas because it's raining. We were not ready for it. Every time it rains, whenever these two come with us. And this is my friend. How do you buy like rain? Heavy rain or this? Hi. Especially with my dress. Look at the rain. Yeah. The roads. Just a decorative bag. Yeah. You can't put anything. You can put some. How do they open it? And with that. Okay. Just to match with the dress. Look at this one. Oh, with this thing. So stylish. You can find all the clothes that you want, like the clothes material for stitching any shirts. This is mosquitoes, I think, mosquito net. And there are a lot of beads. Is it okay? Just check it. Yeah. Ah, we changed. I think it looks small. No, it's true. It's same. Just try it once. You want to try it? You put here and try it. This is my mom's friend. My mommy's friend. Ako school da intern to wala ko nemo. Help to ba? You have a small leg compared to your height. Oh. Yesterday, grandma was there, na? Last day. Her mom was there, it seems. Not him. Come on, let's see. Okay, na? Yeah. Done. Actually, my high school friend Ibutombi is there. We talked and it was so nice meeting my high school friend. Hunda. Any questions? So there is chicken biryani and chow chicken. Everything is chicken. And I have this chocolate shake. Kribo got what? Grape juice, right? And here is orange juice. We're gonna dig in. You can start. We are full actually because my friend offered us a cup of coffee. We're just drinking it and now we're gonna dig in right now. This is my plate. And look at this. I can't finish it because I am so full. Was it good? Checking out shoes at today's outfit. So the store name is today's outfit.
Want to see my shoe?
Yeah. Let's. Kribo is trying a nice sandal. Yeah. Your leg is a small size, baby size. Actually, not. Why? What to be shy of? There's so many girls who have small size. It's white to see the yeah. The other section. This is the place where you can buy all the accessories. Here accessories, all the necklace, earrings, and clips. And this is Nare's mommy actually. She just talked to me. My brother Tampu's friend Nare's mommy. Very busy. It's still raining. And my two friends went inside this market to buy something. We did not see it. Okay, yeah. Now Lucian's gonna try out one t-shirt. She wants a big one. Trial room. Open it. Can open. Yeah. Kribo, is there anything you want?
Let me take it.
We almost reached the place. We went and explored Lerong Tail each and every corner because we're sitting at a Lerong Tail's auto. This is actually not were not prepared to buy things, but we bought a lot of things. Yeah, so enjoying today